Hey everyone, I'm Engineer Zia, and welcome to TechTrend AI. If you're excited about artificial intelligence and want to stay on top of the latest tech trends, you've just found your new favorite channel. Here at TechTrend AI, we're all about breaking down complex AI concepts, showcasing cutting-edge tools, and helping you use AI to solve real-world problems. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or someone already diving into machine learning, we've got you covered. Expect step-by-step tutorials on building your own AI projects, reviews of the best tools in 2025, and insights into how AI is transforming industries like tech, business, and more. We'll also explore hot topics like natural language processing, computer vision, and even how you can leverage AI to create content, make money, or innovate in your field. If that sounds like something you'd love, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let me know in the comments. What AI topic are you most curious about? I read every comment. Stick around and let's trend the future of tech together. See you in the next video.